In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts for deadline in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to check so you never miss a due date again. First, open your Monday.com account and head to the board called Trial Management. You can find it from the left sidebar under your list of boards, or simply use the search bar at the top to type the board name and open it from the results. Once you're in, you'll see your table of items. These are your tasks, along with the columns that track key details. Keep an eye out for a column labeled date or due date. That's the field Monday.com uses to know when a task is supposed to be finished. Here's the key. As long as a task has a due date set in that date or due date column, Monday.com will trigger an alert when the deadline arrives. To confirm this, click into any task and look across to the due date cell. If you see a date there, you're good. If it's empty, click the cell and choose a date from the calendar. If your workspace has time enabled on the date column, you can pick a specific time too. Setting a realistic due date helps ensure the alert arrives at a moment that's actually useful for you and your team. When the due date comes, you'll get a notification tied to that task. Typically, you'll see it in the notification bell at the top of Monday.com, and depending on your personal preferences, you may also receive an email or a mobile push. Alerts generally go to people who are connected to the task, like those assigned to it or subscribed to it, so make sure the right people are associated with each item. That way, the alert lands with the teammates who need to act. As you scan your trial management boards, it's a good habit to make sure every active task that requires attention has a due date filled in. This keeps alerts consistent across the board and prevents tasks from slipping through the cracks. Clear task names also make those alerts more meaningful, because you'll instantly recognize what needs attention when the notification comes in. To recap, open the trial management board, locate the date or due date column for your task, and make sure each relevant item has a due date set. Once that's in place, Monday.com will handle the alert when the deadline arrives, and you'll see it right in your notifications. That's all you need to stay on top of deadlines without extra setup. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with never missing a due date in Monday.com.